So, you see, this organization TRF, India had not spoken it only after April 22nd. India has told the United Nations 1267 Sanction Committee in December 2023. So please remember.
You might need to point out what is TRF.
Yeah, so TRF is a new name for Lashkar-e-Taiba. Yeah. So we had informed them that look, this is a new name for LET, and in 2023 we informed this monitoring committee that this is a group which is working against India. When December 2023. Now in May and November 2024, we had again informed them that this is a Pak-based terrorist group which is going to harm India. So 23 December, May and November 2024. So it's not that we were caught unawares. Whatever our people who are safeguarding all of us have been working on this. Number one. The second point is that, the Pakistani propaganda, aap humko hamla kare. No. You should see the press statement of April 25 of United Nations Security Council. What did it say? It said that people who, here it is, I'll read it out to you. It says that organizations which indulge in terrorism, financing, strict action should be taken against them. And Security Council releasing a statement, and then in that reference, Pakistan tried their level best to ensure that TRF name is not mentioned. Why? What has Pakistan got to do with TRF? See, if you're a country, you're saying, so why did you insist that the name should not be mentioned? Fourthly, you must be remembering that few months ago when the tunnel was made in Kashmir, some engineers were assassinated, right? Engineers assassinated. Now, people who were eyewitness to this Pahalgam massacre, we had taken, the visual images, sketches, and one terrorist was caught. And in his cell phone, the sketches which were made of the 4 terrorists, it matched with the cell phone photos which we found in the attack. And those were Pakistani terrorists. And fifth, another point to corroborate what India is saying is what Jay Panda just told you, that 4 statements were given by TRF accepting this Pahalgam. 2, our agencies have found that they were given from a area which was close to Pakistani cantonment area. See, if you issue a statement, your footprints are there. You people know very well that we are laymen. So it clearly shows Pakistan's clear involvement, clear.
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new age design. Book now